So, hi everyone, this is Haji Malang from Tadia Mechanical, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering and Technology, which is located in Chittoor. So, now I'm going to view about the Tinkering Lab mini project, so which is having for our semester. So, the title of the project is the Solar Power Thermoelectric Refrigerator. So, we designed this is for the mainly for application of community service. From this project, the main beneficiaries are the Mr. Venkateshwar Lukadi Farms, which is located in Matherevola, Chittor. So this is my team. I am the leader of this team project. So next we are going for the slide. So for the research and users research, the methods we used. So we interacted with the people who are living in the localites who are having the farms, and we conducted and we visited the fields, lot of fields observations, and we uh, went through. So our community partner, the main our community partner is Mr. Venkateshwar Lugaru, who is living out beside our college, who is having farm of cattle. So he used to sell milk. So next, the main key insights are the community members often need low maintenance cooling product for small scale preservations and for medicine storage or personal use, especially when electricity is unavailable. So sustainable, and the next one is the sustainability perceptions. The sustainability perceptions is nothing but, so if we see the uh, normal refrigerants and refrigerators, it emits a lot of harmful gases. So if we see in this, there is no harmful gases, and there is no noise in this refrigerator compared to the home we are using. In home we are using the refrigerators, and the barriers to adoption. So and the more important key insight is, so people needs to know about the thermoelectric refrigerators. They have no knowledge about it. So these are all the images of the field visit, and he is Mr. Venkateshwar Lugaru, and who having the 12 cattles in his farm. So this is his setup for this farm, which is located in Mithurevola. So I will tell you now about our project which we have designed. So this is title of the project is the solar powered thermoelectric refrigerator, presented by me and my teammates. So let me dive into your introduction. So a solar powered thermoelectric refrigerator is a cooling system that uses solar panels as its primary energy source and thermoelectric modulates to create the cooling effect. And it works without traditional refrigerants or compressors, making it environmentally friendly and maintenance free. And this is mainly sustainable in rural areas. We are concentrating on only rural areas which there is no electricity and the no availability of electricity. So the main objectives of our project is to preserve food, milk, medicines, and to reduce waste. The main important point is to reduce waste and to deliver an affordable refrigerator with low maintenance for rural use. So the problem statement is, the rural and remote areas often experience a shortage of electricity, as I said previously, for refrigeration. This dependence on power is problematic, as it is frequently unavailable and expensive in these regions. And the next important problem is the users facing the loss of wastage. If, for example, if you say, I'm taking milk from his farm every day. So if I go to village with any works, it will be loss for him also, no? So to reduce this loss, we are giving him refrigerators to preserve. So, and the main important problem is they can't afford high cost refrigerators. So next, the brainstorming. The lot of brainstorming techniques we used for this project, like discussing with the group members and making them writing their own ideas that help us to generate large number of ideas. The one main technique we used is mind mapping. We got some ideas apart from this idea, so we planned so many designs for this. So some of them are I have stick to this slide. So these are all the ideas we got and we are planning to do for this project. And this is one with the solar and this is not the solar. So in this one, we need solar panel with the battery to get free free energy without using electricity. And the next second one is we can use this as a normal refrigerator, but it consumes less power compared to others. So idea generation. So idea generation during ideation, feasibility, and impact or critical motors, we have to balance innovative potential with practical execution. These ideas should be valuable for targeted community. The main criteria were considered to filter the idea was feasibility, impact, and the sustainability.